Tonight with all new information on a deadly crash on I-10. This is the wreck that closed both sides of the interstate for hours last week. 12 News obtained a preliminary crash report which breaks down what the driver of the truck did before he lost control, causing what you see on your screen. That truck driver told police he lost control after changing lanes.
Tonight, for the first time, a lawyer representing the family of the victim is speaking out. 12 News reporter Cameron Seibert spoke with that attorney. Cam, what exactly is she saying?
Well, guys, Jonathan Droddy leaves behind a 4-year-old daughter and her mom. Jane Leger with Ferguson Law Firm plans to seek compensation for his family.
It's been 1 week since 32-year-old Jonathan Droddy lost his life in a wreck on Interstate 10 in Beaumont. It's still under investigation, but 12 News obtained a preliminary crash report. A box truck driver working for B&N Mail Services in Beaumont tried changing lanes, but he overcorrected and lost control. The truck went through the concrete barrier and into oncoming traffic, hitting Droddy's Ford Escape head-on.
I would like to know whether or not the driver, there's any evidence that he was using his cell phone at the time of the incident.
Jane Swearingen Leger with Ferguson Law Firm is representing the victim's family.
Definitely anticipate that a lawsuit will come of this. So when you lose a young father and husband who is the financial provider for his family, then we seek to replace that loss through financial compensation.
The law firm filed a temporary restraining order to preserve all the evidence from the crash.
For instance, no repairs can be made to the commercial motor vehicle involved until we get a chance to inspect it. No data should be deleted from the phone that the driver had access to until we have a chance to inspect it.
The investigation is still in early stages. No charges or citations are filed against the driver. 12 News made multiple attempts to reach the president of B&N Mail Service. He has not replied.
If the driver was in the course and scope of his employment at the time this wreck happened, then his employer has to be legally responsible for his conduct.
Leger and her team are waiting for the crash report to be completed before moving forward with a suit.
And Leger says any compensation from a suit would go directly to Droddy's 4-year-old daughter. The investigation is being handled by Beaumont Police. The crash report mentions nothing about drug or alcohol tests for the truck driver. Police haven't responded to our questions about whether a test was given. Cameron Seibert, 12 News.
Also